Hi everybody, welcome back to Arm Candy. We've got a Louis Vuitton NeoNoe to show you today, and it's in that classic monogram coated canvas, but it's got a little touch of pink, which I think is really pretty. So I'll talk you through the features. We've got a drawstring closure, and then we also have one top handle, and that's adjustable as well. So I'll show you that when I show you the size. And I'll just pop it open and show you inside. So we've got a lovely pale pink microfiber lining, and then inside we've got one zipped pocket, central zipped pocket there as well. So the condition of this one, we have called the exterior and the interior excellent. You can see all around there is just no marks, no signs of wear for me to show you. It's just in a really gorgeous condition. And again, inside, just pop that drawstring closure open. It's just really gorgeous in there. So that is why we've called those excellent. The hardware we've called very good. There's just a couple of scratches on those clips. And you can see just a little bit where that gold tone has faded a little bit. But you can see kind of here where those rings are. They're in a gorgeous condition. And for the most part, that lovely shiny gold tone is still really pretty and looks very nice. So that's why we've called the hardware very good. I'll show you what it comes with. So we've got the Louis Vuitton box, and then we also have Louis Vuitton fabric booklet, as well as a little Louis Vuitton fabric card as well. So if you wanted to know any exact measurements for this NeoNoe, you'll find them on our website. So the link in the description below should hopefully take you directly to this Louis Vuitton on armcandybagco.com. If it doesn't and it just takes you to our generic product page, I'm really sorry, that does mean it has sold. But what you can do is you can get on our request list. So it's really easy to do that. All you have to do is just send us over an email or fill out the contact us form on our website, and then we'll pop you on that request list. And as soon as we get in another one like it, you'll be one of the first to know. So hopefully you can get in there nice and quickly next time. So that's the request list. As I said, exact measurements will be on the website, but I'll show you the size on me for reference. So I'll come back here and show you. So with that shorter shut, you can pop it just on your shoulder like that, or you can adjust it by just opening up these press studs on the handle. So you open it up on either side, and then it just pulls through like that. Pull it through there as well, and then you can see it just pops in to those press stud fastens again like that. So you've got a nice long strap, and then you can pop it crossbody as well. So I'm a size UK 10 and 5'4", if that's any help in reference to the size. So again, if you wanted more details on it, go to the link in the description below. While you're on our website, sign up to our newsletter. You can keep yourself updated on all the beautiful arm candy that we're getting in. And when you sign up to our newsletter, we'll also send you through your welcome discount code. You can use that discount code on your first purchase with us, so don't miss out on that. While you're here, don't forget to like this video and also subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on any beautiful pieces like this one that we have to show you. And also on our website, you'll find the How to Sell With Us page. So if you have any bags that you'd like to sell with Arm Candy Bag Co, all the details you need to know about selling with us are on that page. So have a read through there, and we'll see you later with some more arm candy.